All right, beginning Adobe Illustrator. This is lesson 2. Okay, so last time you checked out the paintbrush right here. Guess what? Underneath it, if you hold that down, there is a tool called the BLOB brush tool. So I'm going to select that one. So at first glance, it looks like the same one. But if you look closer, what you can do is double click and it pops up with these options here. So this is really cool. You can set these. Let's say my brush size is 19 right now, and it's set to pressure. I like to set it to pressure because these drawing tablets that we have are pressure sensitive. Usually it's set at fixed and you need to change it to pressure, okay? And then you actually need to also change the variation. If I don't vary the size depending on the pressure, it's not going to do anything. I got to slide this variation up there and then click OK. Now when you take a look at it, I'm going to press very lightly and then press hard, very lightly and press hard. And as I change that, the thickness of my line changes. Okay, so that's really fun to be able to play with that. It's a great way to make eyelashes. Let's see if I can make a few eyelashes there. Start out and then make it a little bit. Let's try the other way. Let's make it skinny and then down to thick. Oh, that's working better for eyelashes. Okay, so you can kind of play with the brush tool. Let me show you that one more time. And if you're done, you don't need to watch the rest of this video, but what you're going to do is go up to paintbrush, hold that down, choose blob paintbrush. Okay, now double click that blob and make sure that your size of your brush is set on pressure. And change the variation, make that go all the way to the top, press OK. I want to change the color, double click that, maybe I choose blue. And the width of your brush stroke will change based on how hard you're pressing on your stylus.